Hello people, we're going to do, my dad's getting some paper, we're going to light a whole box of these guys right here. If you can see, if I can make, so we're going to do it, the natural way, and now I'm going to do it the other way if you can see it better. Okay, so we're going to, okay, gosh, see no, this is a problem. Where's my paper? Oh my gosh, I need to pause it here. Okay guys, I'm back. Yeah, I didn't actually record the video, you know that. This is a big video. I'm recording on the phone. Oh my gosh. Yeah, just put a whole bunch of paper on it. That's a brilliant idea.
Brilliant.
Yep, okay, I think that's enough.
Okay, come back.
No, come on. Okay, now that thing is going to light. I'm going to do something.
Get back. Get away from that. I'm going to worry.
No, should do it. Nope. Okay, I should do it. See that little fire? Flame?
You gotta get your hand. Come put your hand over the thing. Like this. There we go.
Okay, whatever. Is it on fire?
Okay,
Yep, here it goes. Here it goes. Whatever. This is what will be. Gosh. Oh gosh, the screen's so bad. You can hear the noise. Well, that was disappointing.
That's disappointing, yes, I think so too.
I think,
Stay away from it, though. There's probably still one in there.
Well, it's a campfire, actually. On the right over there, there's gonna be some fireworks. But the fireworks are coming over there. Maybe they're going off right now.
We have more fireworks left.
Oh yeah.
Okay, go pour water on it. Stop your video.